Experiment number 1. Measurement using vernier caliper. In this video, we are going to study how we can use vernier caliper to measure the inner or outer diameter or a length of the cube. See the objectives of this experiment: to determine the least count of vernier caliper and to determine inner or outer diameter, length of the cube or hollow sphere, etc. Now see the parts of vernier caliper. First is outside jaws, used to take external measures of objects. Second is inside jaws. Third one is depth of probe, used to measure the depth of object. Fourth is main scale. Fifth one is vernier scale and retainer. These are the parts of the vernier caliper. Now you will see these parts in a diagram. See at the upside, inner jaws or inside jaws. At the down, outside jaws. Then the small scale is vernier scale and the long scale is a main scale, depth probe, etc. See the types of vernier caliper. The first type is digital caliper, second one dial caliper, and the third one vernier caliper. The third type, that is vernier caliper, we are going to study. Use of vernier caliper. See in the first picture, by using depth probe, we can measure the depth. By using inside jaws, we can measure the inner diameter. And by using outside jaws, we can measure the outer diameter. See in the picture, the correct way of holding the object properly in a vernier caliper. The first picture showing the correct way to hold the object and the another picture showing the wrong way to hold the object. Again, the first picture showing the correct way to hold the object. If we not hold the object properly, then it will give the wrong answer. Now measurement of least count. Least count means a smallest measurement that can be done by an instrument is called as least count. So how much the least count of vernier caliper, that we'll see. See the formula for least count: smallest division of a main scale divided by total number of divisions of a vernier scale. We have seen already which is vernier scale and main scale. The small scale is vernier scale and the long scale is main scale. So first we will find smallest division of a main scale. In between 20 and 30, there are 10 lines. So the value of one division is 1 mm. And the total number of divisions, see from 0 to 10, the total number of divisions are 10. So the least count 1 mm upon 10 gives 0.10 mm or 0.1 mm. This is the least count of vernier caliper. Now measuring using the vernier caliper. Keep the body to be measured between the fixed jaw and mobile jaw without pressure on it. That is most important. Second, take the main scale reading. Then for vernier scale reading, the division of the vernier that coincide with any division on the main scale is also noted. That will be the vernier scale reading. Then the measurement of the object will be main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. So by using this way, we can find the total reading. See the formula for total reading: main scale reading, that is MSR, plus VSR, that is vernier scale reading, into least count. The least count of vernier caliper we got, that is 0.1 mm. Now to calculate the total reading, first we want to find the main scale reading. So by taking main scale reading, see the green line, that is 0 on the vernier scale where it coincides, that will be the main scale. The 0 of the vernier scale coincide on the main scale will be 5 mm. So 5 mm will be the main scale reading and it exactly coincide to that division. So the vernier scale reading will be 0 and due to that main scale 5 plus vernier scale into least count gives 0 will give 5 mm. This is the total reading. Again see more example. Now see, 0 line from the vernier scale where it coincides at the main scale, it gives 23. So the main scale reading will be 23 plus, to find the vernier scale reading, see which line from the vernier scale reading coincide exactly to the main scale. So the green line, that is 4. So 4 number of line coincide to the main scale. So the vernier scale reading will be 4 mm. Into least count, it gives 23 mm plus 4 mm into 0.1 gives 23.4 mm. This is the total reading. Another example. See the 0 from the vernier scale where it coincides on the main scale, it gives 2.2 centimeter. This is the centimeter scale, so we are taking in the centimeter. So the main scale reading is 2.2 centimeter. And the vernier scale means which division coincides exactly to the main scale, that is 4 number of divisions. So vernier scale reading will be 4 division, that is 4. So the total reading, main scale reading plus least count into vernier scale reading, it gives 2.2 centimeter plus 4 into least count, that is 0.1 mm, so it gives 0.01 centimeter. So the total reading of this diagram is 2.24 centimeter. Another examples. Look at all this example and find out the least count and the total reading shown in the pictures. Again, first we have to focus on the 0 line of the vernier scale where it coincides on the main scale. In the first diagram, it coincides exactly on 11. So 11 mm will be the main scale total reading. In the second picture, 0 line coincides exactly on the 5 mm line. So the total reading will be 5 mm. In the third picture, 0 line is coincide on the 23, but it not exactly coincide on the 23. So the main scale reading will be 23. And the fourth number division exactly coincide to the main scale. So 4 is the vernier scale reading. It gives 23.40 mm. Again on the fourth picture, 0 line coincides on 48 number. So the main scale reading will be 48. And it gives the reading 48.85 mm. Thank you.